Hey everyone, welcome back to another helpful tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to wire money from Wealthfront. If you're an investor looking to transfer funds out of your Wealthfront account, maybe to your bank or another investment platform, this step-by-step guide will make it simple and straightforward. Wealthfront is a popular robo-advisor that helps with automated investing, but sometimes you need quick access to your cash, and wiring money is a secure way to do that. First, log into your Wealthfront account using your email and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, make sure to complete that step for added security. Once you're in the dashboard, navigate to the Accounts or Transfers section. It's usually in the main menu on the left or top of the page. Next, select the option for Wire Transfer or External Bank Transfer. Wealthfront might prompt you to choose the specific account you want to withdraw from, so pick the one with the funds you're moving. Now, enter the recipient's details carefully. You'll need their bank's name, routing number, account number, and the exact amount you want to transfer. Double-check everything to avoid any errors, as mistakes can delay the process or incur fees. Before confirming, Wealthfront will likely require you to verify the transaction. This could involve a security code sent to your phone or email. Once verified, review the summary of the transfer one last time, then hit Confirm. At this point, the wire is initiated. Keep in mind that wire transfers from Wealthfront typically take 1 to 3 business days to process, and there might be a small fee, usually around $25, depending on your account type. Always check for any current fees in your account settings beforehand. And there you have it. Your money is on its way. Wiring from Wealthfront is a breeze once you know the steps, but if you encounter any issues, reach out to their customer support or visit their help center. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you next time.